Hi guys, welcome to another Fitness First online tutorial class. Today the exercise that we are going to learn about is the triangle or diamond push-ups is also it's known as and we are going to learn four things about this exercise. One, the correct starting position. Two, how to correctly perform it. Three, the target muscles involved in this exercise. And four, a common mistake that people usually do. Okay, so let's look at the starting position. Start by placing your hands in a diamond or a triangle shape on the floor. Get your chest right over the diamond or the triangle that you have formed on the floor. Get into quadruped position, and once you're comfortable, slowly get into plank position. Let's also look at this from the side angle. So same thing again, you want to place your hands on the floor, get your chest right over it, get into quadruped position, and once you're comfortable, slowly move into plank position. Okay, now let's perform. Now once you're comfortable in the starting position, and once you've got that starting position accurate and correct, you want to slowly bring your chest down towards the diamond or the triangle that you have formed on the floor and slowly move away from it. Now you can separate your hands if you think it is too difficult, because separating your hands will make it a little easier. Let's look at the same thing from the side view. Again, put your hands on the floor forming a diamond or a triangle shape. Slowly move your chest towards it and away from it, towards it and away from it. Okay, so now let's look at the target muscles for diamond or triangle push-ups, and here you can see in red the triceps brachii and anterior deltoid is the target muscle, and in pink is the synergist or the muscle that helps complete this movement of diamond or triangle push-ups. Now the traditional thought process is that any push-up exercise should be targeting the chest or the pectoralis muscle, but here in this case you can clearly see that this exercise is targeted towards your shoulder and arms, that is deltoids, that is anterior deltoid in your shoulder and triceps in your arm. Now one might think, why is it important for us to have this and understand this information? That is because with this information we can avoid a lot of injuries and do the exercise in the correct form and technique. Okay, so let's look at a very common mistake that many people end up doing while performing diamond or triangle push-up exercise, and that is that while they are doing this exercise, as you can see in this video, is they flare their elbows out rather than keeping them in towards their chest and performing this exercise.